In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Auto VPN between Cisco Meraki MX appliances. Let's get started. First, make sure you have at least 2 Meraki MX devices set up in different locations. Next, go to the Meraki Dashboard and select the network where your primary MX is located. On the left side, hover over Security and SD-WAN. Then click on Site-to-Site VPN under the Configure section. At the top, you'll see 3 options under Type: Off, Hub, and Spoke. By default, it's set to Off, which means the device is not part of any VPN. Now, choose your setup. Select Hub if this device will act as the main connection point, or Spoke if it will connect to a hub device. If you want all networks to communicate with each other, use a full mesh setup. If you only want branch offices to connect to a central location, use a hub and spoke setup. Once you select the right option, configure your hubs and spokes accordingly. Then save your settings. That's it. Your Meraki Auto VPN site-to-site setup is now configured. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.